Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change your YouTube channel name because sometimes we need to change YouTube channel name. So in this video I will show you how you can change your YouTube channel name very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly open the YouTube and here you will see profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on here and here log in your email id with your YouTube channel. So for example, I want to change this YouTube channel name, so I will click on it. Here you will see the options of pin icon. Click on here and then you will see name options, handle options, and channel URL, description, privacy. So I want to change the name of my YouTube channel, so that's why I will click on here. And here I can my YouTube channel name. So for example, I want to select this name, then I will click on save options. So keep in mind, change to your name will be reflected only on the YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So after changing, click on save options. So after that, you will also click on handle options. So here you will also change your handle options after changing the name, because handle name will be selected according to your YouTube channel name. For example, I have selected Zahad iTech 123, then I will click on save options. So also keep in mind you can change your handle back within 14 days. So after that, click on save options. So in this way you can change name of your YouTube channel very easily. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel.